Be honest, my friend. When you hear the word budget, do you feel excitement or does your heart sink, imagining shekels of financial imprisonment? If you're anything like me, you likely see budgeting as chains that limit your freedom, chains made of spreadsheets and the joyless counting of pennies. Yet, what if I revealed a hidden truth to you? What if, instead of bondage, budgeting could grant you greater freedom than you ever imagined? Gather close, my dear listener, and allow me to share with you the timeless wisdom that has freed countless souls from financial worry and transformed their lives into tales of prosperity. Hey there, I'm Abdullahi Kaka. On this channel, I try to explore ideas around personal growth, finance, and inspiring global success, one story at a time. And if you find the information here useful, share with your family and friends. Perhaps it will encourage them, and you can subscribe for more. For many years, I dreaded the very notion of budgeting. My chest tightened, my spirit dulled. I recall clearly the thrill of receiving my first real paycheck. For a fleeting moment, I felt rich, only to be overcome by anxiety moments later. Where does all this money go? I asked myself. Like so many, I turned to complicated spreadsheets and endless record keeping. By day 3, I was ready to quit. I felt trapped, frustrated, and financially hopeless. Then, like the ancient sages of Babylon, I discovered a better path, not hidden in a modern app, but in principles as old and sturdy as the great walls of that storied city. This path was illuminated by a profound truth. To truly master your money, you must reverse the common order of things. Let me introduce you to the wisdom of the 70-10-10-10 rule, an age-old blueprint for abundant living. It is less a budget than a guiding philosophy handed down from wise men through the centuries. This principle commands that before you spend on life's necessities and pleasures, you first honor 3 sacred allocations: charity, savings, and investments. Consider first the 10% you set aside for charity. But Abdullahi, you protest, I seek wealth. How can giving money away help me? Here is where the magic begins. Giving is the noble act that breaks the chains of scarcity in your mind. It proclaims to the universe and to yourself that you live in abundance. Whether you support a cause dear to your heart or aid a family member in need, giving nurtures generosity, opening wide the gates of prosperity. It is not merely an expense, my friend. It is the cornerstone of an abundant mindset. Next, set aside another 10% for savings. This, my dear listener, is your fortress of security. Many have mistaken this sacred portion for investment capital, yet savings are your shield against life's unpredictable battles. Imagine the comfort of knowing you possess a treasure to guard against life's unexpected storms, a broken chariot wheel, an unforeseen illness, or the strength to leave work that burdens your soul. This fund does not seek to multiply your wealth. Its purpose is to secure your peace, the priceless jewel of sound sleep. Then, you shall allocate a further 10% for investments, your golden warriors who tirelessly labor on your behalf. Savings protect your present, but investments secure your future. These warriors enter into ventures such as wise market funds, real estate, or even a profitable business endeavor. Each investment dollar becomes an employee, forever faithful and diligent, multiplying your wealth as you sleep. With these 3 sacred portions set aside, your generosity, your security, and your wealth, what remains, a bountiful 70%, is yours to spend freely. This portion covers all that life demands and all that life desires: your home, your nourishment, your journeys, your leisure, and your dreams. Imagine the joy of dining with friends or enjoying a new garment without guilt or hesitation. The voice of doubt is silent, for your future has already been richly provided for. Such is the true freedom that a wisely managed budget brings. Now, here is the secret to making this effortless and joyful: automation. Each time your earnings enter your hands, swiftly send these sacred portions to their destined places, as the rivers flow naturally to the seas. To deepen your resolve and clarity, name these accounts. Let your savings become your peace of mind fund, and let your investments be your wealth engine. By naming them, every coin acquires purpose, every allocation becomes meaningful. Do not mistake this principle for mere budgeting. It is a philosophy, a plan for a prosperous life that builds discipline, fosters generosity, and cultivates a mindset of abundance. It moves you from worry to mastery, from restriction to genuine freedom. To aid you in beginning this noble journey, I have prepared a simple yet powerful tool, the 70-10-10-10 Wealth Planner. It is but one page, designed to clarify your path and ease your first steps. This gift is yours freely, waiting in the description below. If this timeless wisdom resonates within your heart, I invite you to join me regularly. Subscribe, and together we will continue to unravel the mysteries of wealth and abundance. Share this tale with those you cherish, for perhaps they too are burdened with financial chains waiting to be broken. Now tell me, dear listener, in the comments below, which of these sacred portions excites your spirit most to begin? I long to hear of your journey toward prosperity. Thank you, dear friend, for allowing me to share this wisdom. Until next time, may your path be illuminated by abundance and joy.